Welcome to the 9 Viewers. Experience effortless financial analysis, risk detection, and collaborative transparency all in one powerful platform. No separate sign-up required. Simply visit the 9 Viewers website and log in with your QuickBooks ID and password. No data entry needed. We reshape, reconfigure, and rethink data. No manual needed, just seamless, effortless use from day one. Designed for simplicity, built for efficiency. With traceable audit trails, financial statements. Traditional financial statements do not reveal the individual transactions behind the numbers. But by reconstructing them from journal entries, we turn them into drill-down financial reports with full transparency. We transform them into drill-down financial reports for verification. Now, you can verify if transactions exist and ensure they are correctly recorded. With this structured logic in place, you can perform frequent closings. This allows you to create time series financial statements and detect issues before year-end closing. Financial fraud often occurs due to last-minute number adjustments or flat journal records lacking cause and effect link. That's why the audit trail report is essential for financial transparency and fraud prevention. Transaction-driven vendor, client settlement review. We rebuild customer ledgers using only journal entries, reconstructing receivables and payables from scratch. By comparing these balances with the customer ledger, we can quickly identify potential duplicate payments or missed settlements. Never assume financial records are flawless. A second review is never too much when detecting errors. Settlements are often processed in batches rather than individually. Employees handling payments and settlements must pay close attention to this. We visualize payment and settlement timelines for accounts payable and accounts receivable. It connects matching transactions, helping you verify settlements with ease. Dynamic monitoring of account flows. How much insight can we generate from accounting journals? The 9 Viewers aggregates increases, decreases, net changes, and balances by accounts from journal entries. And we transform this data into time series patterns for deeper analysis. No need to check every number. Visualized trends let you feel the changes instantly. If an unusual pattern appears, simply click to trace it back to the original journal entry. This creates a complete data cycle aggregation, pattern recognition, and intelligent backtracking. With 9 Viewer, experience the cutting edge of data engineering. Pattern discovery through heat map calendar. We can't attach a buzzer to every transaction, but we can achieve a similar effect. By combining heat maps and calendars, we make daily financial changes easy to spot. The 9 Viewers links data fluctuations directly to the underlying journal entries. Now, you can instantly feel the shifts in your data. Click on a date and it takes you straight to the relevant entries. No more overthinking, just experience the financial flow. Profiling-powered journal entry scan. Can you manually search through thousands of journal entries? My answer is no. Instead, set a hypothesis and profile transactions that match. This helps you quickly identify key entries and continuously monitor high-risk transactions. The 9 Viewers makes this easy. Just input your profiling conditions, and it instantly highlights relevant transactions and summaries. For example, enter expense greater than 500, debit, rental, and you'll find all expenses over $500 excluding rental expense. Will you keep searching for entries manually? Or will you create a smarter way to find them? The 9 Viewers has the answer. Infinite Dual Scan Double Entry Filter. Double entry bookkeeping enables us to scan transactions through dual filters. This reveals hidden relationships and even the first signs of fraudulent accounting. For example, if the ledger shows an increase in deposits and accounts payable at the same time, it contradicts standard accounting logic. This is a red flag and should be scrutinized. 9 Viewer takes this further. Our dual filters run in infinite loops, maximizing transaction investigation. And we made AI detects unusual journal entry combinations, prompting a second review. For transparent accounting and fraud detection, this isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Find causal relations with opposite entry track. By analyzing counterpart accounts, we can track not just balance change, but the reasons behind them. This transforms accounting from what happened to why it happened, expanding data insights like never before. Identify cash counterpart accounts and aggregate them by account. This creates a cash flow statement. Aggregate them by customer. This creates a customer-specific cash flow report. Using this method, you can also generate receivables and payables flow reports. The 9 Viewers takes this to the next level. It traces all asset and liability changes back to their causes instantly. Discover hidden insights you never knew existed with the 9 Viewers. Design your own system with data modeling. The 9 Viewers lets you create your own data models easily and intuitively. Just drag and drop to build models. Save multiple versions like model number 1, number 2, number 3, and use them whenever needed. For example, model number 1 subcategories like salaries and rent. Model number 2 subcategories like fixed versus variable costs. In 9 Viewer, menus are dynamically linked to your data model. Change the model and the system adapts instantly. Put your unique touch into your data model, create a system that feels truly yours. That's a wrap. But the real magic happens when you explore it yourself. See you inside.